Hello students, this is Sona Sharma, Assistant Professor of Department Pharmacology from Ramesh Institute of Vocational and Technical Education, Greater Noida, UP. In this video, I am going to detail or describe about some of the multiple choice questions based on the topic arthropod bone infections. So let's begin with the question number first. The question number first is, the motile zygote of Plasmodium is found in which site? The options are human liver, human RBCs, that is red blood cells of human. Option C is salivary glands of female Anopheles. Option D is the gut of female Anopheles. So, the motile zygote of Plasmodium is mainly found in the gut of the female Anopheles mosquito, which is mainly act as the vectors for the transmission of malaria. So, correct option is option D, the gut of female Anopheles. Question number second is, which of the following is a correct matching pair of disease and a pathogen? The options are filariasis wucheria, Kala Azar glossina, sleeping sickness leishmania, malaria and Anopheles. So, the correct matching pair for the disease and their particular pathogen is filariasis and wucheria, Wucheria bancrofti. Now, moving towards the question number third, that is, reoccurring chills and fever in malaria is due to. The options are destruction of micro and macro gametophytes by the WBCs, that is white blood cells. Option number B is rupturing of RBCs by rapid multiplication and release of hemozoin. Option number C is toxins released from trophozoites. Option number D is sporozoites released from the RBCs and are rapidly being killed in the spleen. So, reoccurring chills in malaria and fever in malaria is because of rupturing of RBCs by the rapid multiplication and release of hemozoin. Basically जो female Anopheles mosquito है वो follow करती है sexual cycle, and after it infects the human host, asexual cycle begin in that particular human host. Question number fourth is, the Yersinia pestis, which is the causative agent for plague. Plague, which is a very highly infectious disease mainly transmitted to men by the infected rat flea. That infected rat flea mainly act as the it is the parasite of rat, so we can say the primary vector mainly responsible for causing the plague disease. So that Yersinia pestis is a causative agent of plague. So that Yersinia pestis is what? It is a gram-negative spiral bacteria, gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria, gram-positive rod-shaped bacteria, gram-positive coccus-shaped bacteria. So, the correct option is gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. So, Yersinia pestis, which is a causative agent of plague, is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacteria. Coming towards the question number 5, that is, plague is primarily a dash disease. The options are hereditary, deficiency, zoonotic or non-communicable. So, as the name in the previous slide, I thoroughly discussed about the same. So, the correct option is the zoonotic. Plague is primarily a zoonotic disease. Animal mainly, क्योंकि किसके थ्रू ट्रांसफर किया जाता है? Parasite of rat, that is called as the infected rat flea के द्वारा, which is mainly considered as the primary vector for the infection of plague. So, the correct option is zoonotic. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 6. Plague is mainly transmitted by. The options are infected rat fleas, parasitic protozoa, mosquito bite or inhaling fungi. So, plague is mainly transmitted by the infected rat fleas, again which is mainly mainly concerned as the primary vector. Moving towards the question number 7, that is, which of the following is the form of plague in which tissues may turn black and die? Basically there are 3 forms of plague, that is bubonic, septicemic and pneumonic plague, and the last option is all of these. So ऐसी कौन सी फॉर्म है प्लेग की जिसमें टिश्यूज जो है टर्न ब्लैक एंड दे बिकम इवेंचुअली डाई? दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज द सेप्टिसेमी प्लेग. Question number 8 is, which of the following human disease is transmitted from the vector Anopheles mosquito? The options are dengue, malaria, filaria and none of these. So correct option is malaria. Malaria is a disease, a human disease which is mainly transmitted from the vector Anopheles mosquito. Vector is are the disease causing agents जो mainly responsible होते हैं disease को transfer करने के लिए, carry करते हैं जो. Coming towards the question number 9, that is, which of the following species can cause severe malaria and death? The options are Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malarial, Plasmodium ovale. These all of the 4 species are the causative agent of malaria. These are the species जो कि मलेरिया कॉज करती हैं. इनमें से हमें ये पहचानना है कि सीवियर मलेरिया और डेथ किसकी वजह से, किस स्पीशीज़ की वजह से होता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज प्लाज्मोडियम falciparum इज ओनली वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द स्पीशीज which can cause severe malaria and responsible for death. Now, question number 10th is, the asexual cycle of Plasmodium is completed in the infected host, the gut of the mosquito, bacteria, or none of these. So the correct option is infected host. Asexual cycle of Plasmodium is completed in the infected human host, and sexual cycle of Plasmodium is completed in itself the female Anopheles mosquito. Coming towards the question number 11, that is, dash is a parasitic disease caused by an infection with roundworms of the Filariota type. The options are rabies, filariasis, thyroid or tetanus. So filariasis is a parasitic disease which is caused by an infection with roundworms of Filariota type. So the correct option is option number B. Coming towards the question number 12, that is, which of the following drug is used in the treatment of filariasis? So the options are enalapril, diethyl carbamazine citrate, DEC, glyclazide or all of these. So the correct option is diethyl carbamazine citrate is used in the treatment of filariasis. Coming towards the question number 13, that is, lymphatic filariasis lead to the symptoms of dash. The correct option is elephantiasis. Now coming towards the question number 14, the malaria is transmitted by Anopheles was first discovered by whom? The options are Ronald Ross, Huxley, Pasteur, none of these. So the malaria Anopheles जो mosquito था, which it is was first discovered by Ronald Ross. The last question is, plague is also known as, the options are botulism, black death, hydrophobia, none of these. So the correct option is black death. Plague is also known as black death, whether is hydrophobia is mainly considered in the case of polio. Polio जो disease है, hydrophobia is basically a fear of water. It is mainly concerned with the polio, that is one of the intestinal infection, that is poliomyelitis. This is all from my side. Thank you.